friends and students, now we'll do linear inequations, chapter 4. Okay, before going into linear inequations, we must know what a linear equation is. So an equation containing one variable with a degree 1, degree means power, any variable which has a degree 1 or power 1 and which has an equality sign, is equals to sign, is a linear equation. Okay, for example, right there, see the value of a variable x is 1 here. So x is equals to 7. This is a linear equation. Where you have an is equals to sign, this is a linear equation. Alright, now similarly, you've got linear inequations. Linear inequation means an equation which has a same degree, a single degree, means the same power, and which contains an inequality sign. Inequality means that is greater than, less than, or greater than, equal to. Okay, you will not have is equals to sign. This means the value of x equals to 7. X is 7. Here you have x is greater than or equal to 7. This means the value of x here becomes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this case, in linear equation, as x is equals to 7 means the value of x is 7, just 7. Okay, in equation it means either greater than, less than, that I've explained. Before starting the numericals, we must understand some of the topics of the sets. Okay, see, whenever you have this kind of a number, this is read as x is an element of real number. Okay, and real numbers are those numbers starting from minus infinity to plus infinity. All the numbers, okay, that comes across, whatever number you find are real numbers. This is read as x is an element of whole numbers. A whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on. These are whole numbers. See, this is read as x is an element of integer. You can represent it by I or with z. Okay, x is an element of integer. Integer starts from 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 up to infinity, it goes on. This is read as x is an element of natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it goes on. This x is an element of rational numbers, and rational numbers are all the numbers in the form of p by q, means 2 by 3, 3 by 2, any of the numbers, 4 by 5, whenever it is represented in p by q form, it is a rational number. Okay, now we'll be solving this problem. Okay, I'll first write the question and I'll solve the value of x. I'll find the value of x. See, in this question there are two inequalities given. One is this, x is greater than and equal to, and here you've got x is less than this number. So while finding this kind of problem, first I take this inequality and I'll take this inequality on another side and then combine the both and then get the answer. Right? Let us start. I first take this inequality. I'll solve for x. I'll bring this 3 here. Minus 5 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 2x. Minus 2 is greater than or equal to 2x. Minus 2 by 2 is greater than or equal to x. Minus 1 is greater than or equal to x. So we've got one inequality. Now I'll find another. I'll take this 2x minus 3 x plus 2. I'll bring x here. I'll take this like terms. 2x minus x is less than 2 plus 3. X is greater than 5. Yeah, this is another inequality. I'll combine this. See, I'll write, now how do I write is, I'll write x here. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. X is less than 5. So this is your answer. Now the question says, given x is an element of real number, find the range of value of x which this and represent it on a number line. So the range of value is x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and x is less than 5. Means that you'll have numbers from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. whenever, you must remember, whenever there is an is equals to sign, lesser than, greater than, or is equals to sign, so you have to take the number into account. See, you do not have the is equals to sign, so this number, you must not take this number into account. Alright, now I have to represent it on a number line. See, number line is this. You write 0 in between, you've got plus here and minus here, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See the range. X is greater than or equals to minus 1. So I'll make a circle here, make it dark. Okay, and it goes up to 5. I'll make another circle here, but I'll not darken this because this is not is equals to 5. Had there been an is equals to sign here, I would have darkened this as well. Alright, this is an element of real numbers, so I'll dark all the circles. Okay, this is how you do. You can either do it this way or you can do it this way. See, a number system, 0, positive side here, negative side here, minus infinity, plus infinity. These are real numbers. X is an element of real number, okay? And X, the value of X lies between minus 1 and 5. See, you do not have an is equals to sign here, so 5 is not included. It means any number up to 5. It can be 4.9, it can be 4.8, 4.97. So I've taken this. See, minus 1 is included, but 5 is not included. Up to 4.9999, that is included. So you can represent it this way or you can represent it this way. Now this is the same question, but I've just changed this. Now here X is an element of whole number. By solving, everything remains the same, just the graph number line system is somewhat different, slightly different. So you've taken the same number system, minus infinity, plus infinity. Okay, now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. But what is the range? We've got minus 1 as well, but minus 1 is not a whole number, so I've not taken minus 1. While representing this in a number system, right, 0 is included. You just make a circle in 0, make a circle in 1, make a circle in 2, make a circle in 3, make a circle in 4. See, I've not made a circle in 5. Why? Because it doesn't say is equals to 5. It is less than 5. But whole numbers are whole numbers. So this is how you do a whole number.
1.
Now, same questions, but slightly different. X is an element of natural numbers. First, we did with real numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers. I've covered only question because it's almost same. Okay, now we've got a range. X is greater than minus 1, less than 5. While representing it in a number system, what we do is, same thing. 0 is here, there's minus infinity, and there's a plus infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus sign is not required because what are natural numbers? Natural numbers always starts from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the range given here is minus 1 to 4. Okay. Now what we do is we just mark it. See, 1, 2, 3 up to 4. We'll just do it here. Make a circle, darken it. Make a circle, darken it, make a circle, darken it, make a circle, darken it. This is how you represent it in a number line. Okay, now integers, same thing, same questions. See, the range is between minus 1 and minus 5. What are integers? Minus, 0, all the numbers. So, we have minus 1. You've got 0, you've got plus 1, you've got plus 2, you've got plus 3, you've got plus 4. This is an element of integer. X is an element of integer. Alright?
1.
Now friends, I'll teach you how to write the solution set of this interval. Okay? For real numbers, whenever you have to write solution set for real numbers, you write it this way. Solution set, you write this interval. Minus 1 is less than x, x is less than 5, okay, x such that x is an element of real number. This is how you write the solution set for real numbers. Okay, this is the range, this is the interval, the previous question, the interval of that question. Okay, this is the range, this is how you write solution set for real numbers. Now for whole numbers, whole numbers, the solution set is solution set. What are whole numbers starting from? See, whole number starts from 0, but what are the range given here? -1. So I'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solution set for whole numbers. Okay, for natural numbers. For natural numbers, solution set is equals to, natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for integers, solution set is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is how you write the solution set. Hello friends, we're done with this chapter, linear inequalities. If you have any problem, you can comment, you can message, you can WhatsApp. Okay, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.